In this video, we're going to understand why the area of a parallelogram is calculated the way it is. So we have a parallelogram here, and it has a base of 9 centimeters, a height of 5, and a side length of 6. So a parallelogram is called a parallelogram because all of its sides are parallel to each other. So these sides will never cross. Like if they extend out forever, they would extend out forever and never cross. Same with these ones. Okay, so they're always going to be parallel to each other. That's why it's called that. So the area of a parallelogram is base times height. And we're going to understand why it's like that. So to understand why this is the area, let's cut and rearrange the pieces of the parallelogram. So how would that look? So we're going to cut it straight down where this triangle is and split them up, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to move this piece over to here and fit it into here, and we'll see how that looks. So move this piece to this side and rearrange and put the pieces back together. So that's going to look like this. Exactly, okay? So this was left exactly like that. And then we took this triangle and we moved it over to here. And this is how it is here. So step 2, we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width, which equals 9 times 5, which equals 45 square centimeters for this. We know that this base is 9 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters, right? This is the height, or basically the other side of this rectangle. So the third step is to notice that the rectangle has sides that are the same length as the base and height of the parallelogram. So there you have it. That is why the parallelogram calculation for area is base times height. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in there, and you'll find the link in the ebook, and you can click on it and watch the video as you read the lesson in the ebook. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.